Hey y'all, this is Kinah with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the July 2021 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Free Range. Y'all see the colors. Y'all know I'm always here for some gold foil. I'm excited for this box. I want to let you guys know I will be revealing the mystery item. I always do, and I will give you fair warning just before I reveal it so that if you're not interested in seeing it, you can exit the video. With that said, if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Here is the menu card. As you can see, if you are new here, I am going to go down in the order of what's here on the menu card, and I will warn you again before I get down to the mystery item. So let's sit this up here and let's grab the foiled journaling card. Super pretty, has all of the dusky colors from the box, and we've got our gold compass here. So this is the foiled journaling card. Next we have our washi tapes, and we got quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 washi tapes, and then I have the 6mm washi tape add-on, so I got an additional 4 rolls of washi. So, as you can see, this month we were prepared. We did open up the washi, but we did not roll it out. So, let's go ahead and get this rolled out so that you can see what this washi is looking like. Alright, y'all, so we got all of the washi rolled out. Let's go through this. We have the florals here with the rose gold vines. I'm not sure if it's rose gold or if it's copper. It looks kind of copper. And then we have this glitter washi. Super pretty, y'all, with the dusky view. And then we have it's upside down. We have this landscape. We've got our eagles, our mountains, different colors, and some florals down here. And then we have the perforated moons. We have the perforated date covers, and then we've got the 10mm and the 15mm, and then this is the 6mm add-on. So we've got these moons in the copper, same copper color from up there, the 6mm of the ombre. We've got this color blocked 6mm, and this one has just some florals in the gold foil as well. So this is the washi in this month's box. The next item on the list is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. So let's go ahead and get this open. So we have our main sticker kit, which now includes 3 sets of date covers. We have our full boxes. We have our checklist. We've got some meeting, appointment, important headers, as well as some bow headers here. We've got our page flags, and we've got some circle icons and some bows down here. And then we have our heart icons. We have our heart date dots, and we have the add-on sheet with the half boxes, the full box checklist, and the little mini deco here. And then we have our bow seals. Super pretty, loving the gold foil. Y'all know I'm a sucker and a stickler for gold foil. So here is the deluxe sticker kit with the seals. The next item, y'all see this, is a vegan leather pad folio. This is probably my favorite item in this month's kit because good night. Look at it, y'all. It's beautiful. It's heavy. You can tell it's quality. I'm in love. And then we have this teal interior with the gold dots. I love it, y'all. Coupled with the gold hardware, I really love this pad folio this month. So we've got a pocket here, clear pocket here, we've got a pocket here, pocket here, we've got our pin loop, and we have a D-ring. And the D-ring is for something that I'll show you in just a moment. So that is the vegan leather pad folio. The next item is the B6 stitch binding notebook. We get one in every Simply Gilded kit, and they are dot grid No need to cut it open. It's the same thing every month. So this is the B6 stitch binding notebook. The next item we have is our pen for this month. Super pretty with the ombre glitter in the paint. Let's see if we can get close enough so you can see it. And then we have our bow and flowers down here. It is gold hardware. It is a black gel ink pen. So here is this month's pen. The next item we have is this large paper pad. It was designed to fit inside of the pad folio. So these boxes are perfectly sized to fit the full box stickers. And then you've got a small space here. You've got quite a few sheets. And like I said, this was sized to fit into this pad folio. So you grab the back cardboard sheet here, slide it in, and boom, you're good to go. So this is the large paper pad. The next item we have are die cut stickers. It's been a while since I've seen some die cuts come from Simply Gilded, but we have some. And they are vinyl. So we've got the camera, we've got the bus, and a guitar, and it perfectly matches the free range theme this month. So these are the die cut stickers. The next item up is this vegan leather bow charm, and again, made to go with the pad folio. So get this out and get it clipped to our pad folio, and it's a perfect match. There we go. So pretty. So this is the vegan leather bow charm. Now I am getting ready to show the mystery item. So if you are not interested in seeing it, you can exit this video now. Thank you for watching. But for those of you interested in seeing the mystery item, boom, we have what looks like a pencil board. So you would use this for if you're writing on something and you don't want it to catch the grain in your desk, or for a bunch of different reasons, but this is there to give you that protection and that support when you are writing. So this is the mystery item, this pencil pen board this month. So y'all, here it is, the July 2021 Simply Gilded free range sub box. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.